Okay, this is a room tour of Royal Caribbean's Navigator of the Seas, Ocean View Stateroom 2644. Excuse the decor, it also happens to be my birthday. There's my co-host, Shug. That'll be helping me with this room tour. In the back of the door, just like every stateroom, you've got your assembly station on there where you're supposed to go in case of an emergency. This is the light that controls the light for the entire room, minus the vanity. You got some storage in here, some shelves, and some hangers. These are the hooks. This room comes with bunk beds. If you happen to have kids, they unlock them and the bunk beds fold down and these hooks latch on so you can climb up and down your bunk bed, or your kids can. You got the light switch for your bathroom here. Here is the bathroom. No nasty shower curtain here. They've got the actual doors, which is really nice. You've got the 2-in-1 body wash and shampoo. Plenty of room in here. I'm a fluffy guy. I got lots of room. Turn it around. Hello. Got storage right here. Put some of your goodies. Got your towels and washcloths. A couple of drinking glasses. And some extra stuff down below. Plenty of room in there. What do we got out here?
All right, when you come out here, you have some drawers. We have some clinics in here, which normally you get a hair dryer. So we'll ask about that, but you have plenty of drawer space. It's on both sides. You also have some drawer space there. And then you have your TV, about a 32-inch, I would say.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have your 2 vanity lights, which is really good if you're putting on makeup, just want to see yourself.
Yeah, I've got a couple of regular US outlets, and you got a European outlet over here.
And then down here we have your refrigerator / cooler. So,
all right. You also got your AC controls right over here. What do we got behind door number 5?
Door number 5 is the safe.
The safe.
Yes.
Put all your valuables in there.
And then just some more cabinet space up top.
Okay.
All right, and you come over here on the bed side. You have a telephone, which also has a USB port.
Yeah, that's a slow charging USB port, so we always recommend for over here getting a multi-USB so you can charge multiple devices. I've actually got the one that we use in a link below if you want to consider picking that up. It's very convenient.
Okay. You also have your 2 night lights / reading lights, so you can kind of turn it which way you want. Here we go.
Alrighty, and you've got a chair over here. Sit down and relax, watch some TV. And then, of course, the window. Right now we are still in port. This is the Port of Los Angeles. And let me give you a view of the room from the other side. This is what it looks like from this side. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button if you like the video. And we'll see you on our next vlog, our next adventure. Bye.